Turkish restaurant, Istanbul Turkish Kebabs and Grills. I moved Hong Kong 11 years ago. 11 years ago. My brother live in Hong Kong around 15 years. I decided to move him. I love Hong Kong. I love. This restaurant 5 years already. We have a traditional doner kebab, chicken doner. Our kitchen. This is, we hang this meat, beef meat. This is beef doner. This is chicken doner. Doner means in Turkish language is turn. It's always turn and then cook right now. You can see with salad, rice, and doner kebab. This is our traditional dish. And then if customers they don't want to eat rice or French fries with doner kebab, we can serve with our bread. This is our bread. Roll. We put salad inside. Onion, fresh onion, tomato, and cucumber. If they want customer, they want, we add an extra salad also. And then after salad, put salad, our doner kebab we shave like that. We shave, and then doner meat and salad, and we can use homemade sauce together. We make roll, and then after heat in the toast machine, we serve the customers. And also our traditional soup. You can see our lentil soup. This is our lentil soup. Every day, make daily soup, you know. And I can show you how we made this one. Our lentil here, this is from Turkey. Lentil soup, really healthy soup. We call this one mercimek. You can see Turkish mercimek. Mercimek lentil, red lentil, mercimek. Red, kırmızı, red. We make this soup daily. Our customers they love this soup. Starter, you know, like start soup and then doner kebab with rice or chips, French fries, or we serve with bread, roll. Chicken roll, beef roll. Yeah. Baklava, this 40 leaf, you know. Inside pistachio, butter. This is our traditional dessert. And rice pudding. We call sütlaç. Rice pudding. This is soft dessert. And another one, künefe. This is generally Middle East dessert. Inside have a unsalted cheese, sticky cheese. Especially Chinese people, they like this dessert much because outside is like a noodle, but this is not noodle. This is wheat. Yeah, I can serve to you.
I would like to show you today for how to cook Turkish coffee.
Oh, I was be here already 14 years. We was start like first time in Teoman and Mongkok and Yamate, but you know the Hong Kong situation is getting be difficult hard. So we wanna run some small but quite okay now business. I don't wanna be tell like another brand name is not bad. I don't wanna tell this one. Of course, everyone have different tasty and everyone has different feeling about the coffee. But this Turkish coffee, all Europe, even Russia, Turkey, Arabic, they like it too much. So then I think why not in Hong Kong can try this delicious coffee, because we are like no limit time for the drinking coffee. We like to be morning time 1 cup, afternoon 1 cup, even the one of the close friend come, we like to be give them or like business meeting or something. We like to be drink or after lunch, after dinner, we like to be drink coffee. People is more closer and friendship. So that's why I think this is a good idea. We can pour water, coffee. This one okay lah. Sometimes we need to be shake like this to move for all the coffee bean is around. Actually, if you are not carefully, the coffee is already overcooking and all your scent is getting be dirty. It means coffee drink is just reason, but make good friendship is can give the power. Coffee is just a things of drinks, but you make the for people friendship, understanding. If she has or he has some problem, keep in touch. Firstly, when we cook coffee, then after we sit and drink some, then after clean mouth for next step to fresh coffee feeling, tasty. So you should be eat some delight to change your mouth tasty. So that's why Turkish delight and coffee is like sister and brother. They are good match. They do not fight.
First, my Turkish coffee. Let me take a sip. I had no idea about I'm gonna do this in the future because I studied tourism and hotel management, and when I was 27 years old, I've been offered a job in Bangkok to be manager of a Turkish travel agency, and then 2 years after that, I moved to China. I stayed there for 3 years and I met my wife and we moved to Australia. I said, I don't know how long we're gonna stay in Sydney. Probably we'll be back in 1.5 years. I don't want to have attachment here. And then when I go back to China, we had our first son. My wife didn't want to quit her job, so I quit and I called this gentleman. I said, brother, I want to open a shop in Shanghai and I want to sell your products. And he gave me all the connections. I went to Turkey, meet all the suppliers, and I started in Shanghai. These products we have in Turkey, the variety is huge, unbelievable. This blue lamp, you will have this reflection on your wall. We have one city in Turkey, they only make this pottery. These ceramics actually in Kütahya, they are all made by the housewives. The tradition there is when the housewives send the husbands to work and the children to school, most of the buildings downstairs have workshops, so they go to workshops and then they do this to help the economy of the family as well, and also to spend their day and be productive. The flowers are tulip, so it's the national flower of Turkey. You will see most of the vases have. We have also this is very traditional design. We have also some modern designs as well, like modern paintings. As you see, we use a lot of symmetric styles. And still, we use the flowers. In Turkey, we are in love with flowers. This is Turkish evil eye. In English, it's called evil eye, but it's nothing to do with the evil. It actually protects you from the evil look of the people. I started this 7 years ago in China. So I know, I can't say a lot, but I know a little bit of Asian taste. Favorite pattern between Hong Kong people and the foreigners here is this one. It's very diverse, colorful, a lot of workmanship inside. It's not very simple, and also it's not very complicated. Hong Kong people buy them because this is very unique for Hong Kong and for China. You know, Chinese ceramics are actually not very busy like this. They are very simple, white and blue, very simple geometric designs. Traditionally, we cook the food, and it comes to the table. These tiles we use to put our hot pots on the table, on the dining table. Or you can use them as decoration as well. These are very popular, not only in Hong Kong, all around the world. And when people see them, they recognize them as Turkish tiles. Like in Chinese culture also, we cook the dishes, and the dishes comes to the table, and family shares the dishes. We have actually a lot of similarities in the cultures because both cultures' base is family.